Okay, good night, everyone. Welcome to another showcasing. Hope everybody's doing okay. Send two diecast here. Gonna reveal this. Well, not reveal because you could see it. Gonna unbox and free this Auto World Muscle Trucks and Racing Champions Chevy. I mean, the Chevy has already been out because this package basically came a little damaged, but there we go. Hope you guys enjoy. Which one do I do first? Do the Chevy first? Do this Chevy first? Which one? Eeny, meeny, miny. Let's do the Racing Champion first. Set this aside. Okay. Racing Champion. Chevy Silverado, 99. Step bar card. Okay. So I'll probably customize this one too. And red. It's a nice looking truck. I must give it that. You don't really do it justice, especially with all this lighting. Just tone down some of this lighting. Oh well. There we go. It's not too bad. Has an opening HUD feature. Hopefully you guys can see it. The box opens as well. I don't think the doors open. Nope, doors don't open. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna possibly do a wheel swap with this one. I don't know if you guys can see that. Camera's having a hard time focusing. Come on, get it. No, sorry. It's not working out so well. Oh, it was pretty good. Okay, first one. Now for this spot, boy. This is the Auto World Muscle Truck Series. This is part B version. There you go. And Chevy Canyon, Fleetside. It also comes in yellow and green, I think. And I was looking for the yellow one. I think it was sold out. And eBay didn't really have much of them. I think I've seen some show up recently. So I'm going to try and pick up one of those. You guys ready? Let's free it. There we go. Yeah, your business out there. What? Is that an actual one? Nah, it's just a box to keep it in. Kind of like these, kind of cool. Box art. Keep track of your collection with the Auto World Garage. That's this right here. There we go. This is a beautiful truck. It's gonna go alongside this bad boy. You guys remember this? I want to do something nice with this case. I wanna experiment with it. Probably put something like a scenery in the back. I want to do something. I'm gonna try something with this, and hopefully I don't jock it up. But yeah, go alongside that. This is nice. I love the Chevy series. The Chevy series is pretty cool. Oh, Open it back too. This one is a little bit loose, but it's cool. I think it has opening head as well. Yep. You guys can see that. Opening head. Doors doesn't open. Just look at those rims. These rims are nice. So really nice. Not gonna be modifying this one. I'm gonna keep it as it is. Metal base. Nice, very nice. I got a little chipping here. You guys can't see it on the camera, but it's right here. But it's fine. I'm gonna build a display. The interior is blue. It's like a anodized blue, which is in bud. I mean, if I were to customize it, I would probably open it up and do something with the interior, make a few details. But other than that, it's pretty cool casting. I like it. It's a Chevy Canyon from Auto World on 99 Silverado for Racing Champions. Definitely gonna be customizing this one, so you guys could stay tuned with that. I'll put up pictures. And thanks for watching. Everybody have a safe night. And until another one. Okay. Later.